Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix you can't message this account in Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the chats section, people, and right here you're gonna find your stories. So right now, I'm gonna go back to chat. And then basically, guys, if you can message this account in Messenger, that means one of two things. So the first reason is maybe the person has blocked you. And the second reason is maybe the person has an option enabled for not accepting messages from people he doesn't send messages to. So, for example, if the person didn't send you a message first, you can't send them a message until they accept. So, if you want to know if the person has blocked you, all you need to do, guys, is change your account. So, if you want to do that, go ahead and click on the icon in the top left corner. And then right here, you're going to find chats, marketplace, message requests, archive. And here in the top, you're going to find this little gear icon. If you click on it right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find here your accounts. So go ahead and click on manage account. Then go ahead and click on add account. Then just enter the credentials of the account you want to add. Then go ahead and check if the person has blocked you. So basically, guys, if the person has blocked your account, you're going to be able to see his account with the other account. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.